Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 13. I didn't upload last night or the night before. I've just still done the vlogs, I just need to put them up. But yeah, a kangaroo jumped into my car last night and, well, it's technically this morning. It was like 12 AM or something, and yeah, it ruined my car, so I'm really sad about that. I'm gonna have to call the insurance today, but anyway, there's nothing you can do. These things happen. And I was saying to my dad, you know, like, I feel really awful and really bad that, like, I ruined my car. And he was like, oh, you know, like, pretty much, like, the car can be replaced, but you can't, and you're still here, and that's all that matters. Like, because, you know, it could have been worse. Like, I told him that I didn't swerve because you're not meant to swerve. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go have some breakfast now. I think I might have a iced chocolate. I really feel like something nice, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna have. I made a lime milkshake instead, and it's so nice. Lime is like my favorite milkshake flavor. Just won't focus, but it's really nice. Alright, so we've just been cleaning out the shed, but in the meantime my dad taped the front of my car because all of it has fallen off. So this is like the damage, like it's all cracked, and then that, like, my bumper or whatever has like fallen off. But he's obviously taped it up, but yeah, that is the damage. It's fully cracked. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna go to McDonald's now and get some lunch because it's really hot and we've been working for a couple of hours now. We're having Macca's together now for lunch. Just waiting on my dad, he's on the phone, but I got a chicken and cheese and some McPieces. Oh no, some McBites, so yeah. Alright, so we spent the rest of the day kind of cleaning the shed, and then I had a nap. Now I'm watching some Kendall Ray while I'm editing my giveaway picture. Then I'm going to put that up, and then I'm going to do some editing for YouTube. I haven't uploaded the last couple of days because it's just been hectic. So yeah, I need to upload that now. But yeah, I'm going to do that now, so yeah, that's my plan. Alright, I'm going to have some tea. There's Jim. I'm going to have some tea before I get into editing. I think they're called enchiladas or I don't know, enchiladas, something like that. They look gross, but they taste so good. We had them for tea last night, and I'm just having them for tea again. They're really good. But yeah, I'm just going to finish that Kendall video while I have my tea, and then I'll go to editing. Okay, so I have finished editing now. I'm just watching some Bella while I upload all the videos that I need to catch up on. But yeah, when I was editing, I saw the hot chocolate I made the other day, and it looked really good, so I made another one. Except this one's an iced chocolate. So it's just got a little bit of hot water and then ice cubes and milk. But then it's got the cream and the marshmallows on top. So yeah, I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm probably just going to keep uploading my videos and watching some YouTube. Alright, I've uploaded all of my videos now, and I've just got the Christmas lights on. They're so cute. I really love them. Yeah, I've just got Tilly here, and we're probably going to go to bed soon. She's in trouble at the moment because she was really naughty this afternoon. I let her off her dog run, and she went and chased a chicken that was sitting on eggs. So yeah, and then I put her back on because she was in trouble. Then when I let her off to bring her in for bed, she tried to go to the chicken again. So yeah, she's in a little bit of trouble. She knows that I'm upset with her and she's trying to be cute, but you know you've been naughty today, don't you? Yes. No. Down you get. I'm still not happy with you. Alright, anyway, we'll probably go to bed soon. But yeah. Alright, it is bedtime for us now. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, I feel like I did a good job with stuff today. I got caught up on all of my videos. We had a productive day, like at home, doing some housework and stuff like that. So yeah, I feel like overall it was a really good day. My dad managed to push my bumper back up, like because it was falling down and like scraping across the ground, so I couldn't really drive my car. But my dad managed to get it like just so it's drivable. So yeah, it's meant to call the insurance today, but just got held up with all the housework and stuff. So I reckon I'll call them tomorrow. But yeah, I'm probably gonna head to bed now. Tilly, come on. Tilly. Tilly. Into bed, good girl. Yeah, so we're going to head to bed now. What are you doing? Yeah, so tomorrow I have the day off. I'm excited. No, get on my tattoo. I've got the day off work tomorrow, so I'm gonna do some filming and stuff. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. You're a baby. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. But yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.